this is instructions of how to make a ham omelette. Step 1, you get your butter and then you grab your knife, and then you don't need to grab that much, so you grab about this much, and then you need to put it into your frying pan. And next, what you do is you need to crack 2 eggs into your bowl. So you okay, so that's 1 egg, and now
second egg.
Yep. Oh. And now you do your second egg. Okay, so once you've done that, you get a whisker or a fork, and then you whisk your eggs in. So you do it for about 30 seconds. That should be enough. And then what you want to do is grab your knife again, and then you want to cut your ham into little chunks. So
Do 2 slices at once, you could do it together.
yeah. So first you're gonna cut it in half, and then you take 1 half and then slice it down the middle, and then do the same with this one. Okay, so we're gonna cut this in half. Cut this in half. Cut that in half. And then you cut this in half. Then you need to cut them all in half again. And then that should be all right. Bear with me here, guys. This does take quite a lot. Oh, we need to do these 2 as well. Okay, now you want to put all of your ham into the bowl with the eggs in. I'm just going to check on the butter. Yeah, that's okay. And then you put all of your ham in, and then you mix up a tiny bit more, just to get the ham actually into the bowl. Okay, next you need to grab your block of cheese, you grate it. This is my second time grating cheese, so I'm not the best.
If you lift up the grater, you'll see how much you've done.
Yeah.
So add that into your bowl.
Will that be enough?
You could add that into your bowl and then do another bit.
Yeah. just do a bit more. God, my arm hurts.
Good for your muscles. That's probably enough.
That should.
Right, Leo, if you hold the hob button down, this one,
Yeah.
hold it down for me.
For how long?
Push it down and turn it towards me.
Like that.
You have to hold it down. Hold it down. Push it down.
I'm pushing it.
That's it. Keep it hold. Keep it hold. This is Leo lighting the stove. Okay. That's his butter warming up.
I'm just
You
gonna
mix together now your ingredients.
mix this.
Can you do it again, Leo?
Why?
Hold this down.
I thought you
Push
meant
it down.
the video. I thought you meant the video. Sorry, guys.
Right, you need to put some salt and pepper in there, sweetheart.
Okay, where is that?
The pepper's just over there, that brown one.
This one.
Yep. Pop a little bit of that in. Okay, that's enough.
Then salt.
That's over here.
Okay.
Tiny little pinch.
What do you mean a tiny little pinch?
Just a very small amount.
I thought you said the pepper was over there. Please make credit. I need salt.
This is a small pinch of salt.
And then we mix it in a bit more. Then after that, we put the mixture into the.
Right, do you want to pass me the bowl?
I'll do it.
No, what are you doing?
I'll do it.
Okay. Slowly pour that into there. Slowly, slowly. Keep going, Leo. All in.
There we go.
Is it all in?
Mhm.
Right, so you just get your fork and just move the ham round so it's equal, like equally spaced around the pan. Right. And then can you remember what needs to happen now?
You need to let it. You need to let it set for a bit, for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh no, you let it set and then you flip it and then you cook it for 5 to 10 minutes, don't you?
Yeah. So you let it set for about 5 minutes, and then you need to flip it over. Can we just use a fork?
Yeah. So what do you say to everybody?
Bye guys. Hope
If they need further instructions,
make sure to watch
Read
this
your-
video. Hope you enjoyed this instructions of how to make a what's it called? A ham omelette. Bye.
we'll just get a video of the omelette starting to set. That's it. Looks good, Leo.
Bye guys.